Hello. May I go with my friends? My friends already up there.
Your name, please?
Suzuki.
Okay.
Yes, thank you. 604. Thank you so much. 604.
Hi!
Napakasexy naman. Wow, you're so sexy. I love your outfit.
Doon ka muna.
What? Okay, wait. One more time. One more time.
Isa na ka
Okay.
muna, ha?
Okay. One more time. Oh! You're so
I miss
sexy.
you.
I miss you so much. Thank you for waiting.
Sorry.
Come on.
Andito na naman tayo sa hideout natin.
Yeah nga. I'm glad you booked this
I like
one.
your hat.
I'm good. I'm good. Wow, okay. Where are we going? Are you sleepy?
No.
Are you sleepy?
Walang tulugan.
Wow, walang tulugan.
Walang tulugan.
Wow, it's so cute.
Walang
Okay.
tulugan. Ko talaga siya na i-ano sa'yo dahil
Ayan, ang ganda. Ano yan?
mga 20 minutes aro ko galing sa bahay papunta ko
Wow,
sa
it's
office.
so beautiful. So yan yung gift mo sa akin na pang summer ko. Pang mainit. Kasi yung isa pang for you. Oh, yan, no? Okay.
Tsaka, okay ko sa'yo kasi teacher ka.
Oo nga eh.
Ako
Sabi
dahil
ko nga
pang
pang,
rampatuday.
yun nga. Tapos yung laptop ko, di ba kasya
Yes,
dyan?
kasya
Yung
dyan.
Mac
Wala lang
ko.
zipper. Pero
Ay, it's beautiful.
Diba? Ano, it's
Wow,
kaya
ano
sweet.
ba yan?
It's
Ang
kaya
ganda
sweet.
naman
Tapos
yan.
magaang.
Oo, okay. Okay. Where are you going right now, my friend?
From Ueno Station,
Uh-huh. We're going to
going to what's that? Tsukiji.
Tsukiji. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Ittekimasu. Yan ang outfit namin. Yan. Hi.
Hi.
Let's go to Shinkansen. Let's go out dyan. No?
Hibiya line.
Okay, Hibiya. Let's go out first. Hibiya line. Okay. Ready, get set, go.
Elias ko. Nang uni, yung doon na